So good day guys, and welcome to this episode of tutorials again on NMR Pro tutorial. So today I'm going to teach you something very important, something very simple and unique. So some people already knows about this and some people doesn't know yet. So for the purpose of information and the purpose of education, there has been a lot of messages in my inbox saying I should teach on how to check Waec results. Though some people already know how to do it, but some people doesn't know how to do it. So for the people that does not know how to check their Waec results with their mobile phones, so this video is for you. Watch to the end of this video and you will know how to check your Waec result with your phone. As you all know, Waec result 2022 is now out, so we'll use this medium to check this method to check. So all you have to do is to go to Chrome and search Waec. This can also be used to check any Waec result of any year. So you can see the first option here. This is the waecdirect.ng. This is the official Waec website for checking of Waec results. So you have to click it. So I've clicked on the link. So let's wait for the link to open. There's a lot of things connected to my network. That is why it is slow. So as you can see now, let me zoom it. So this is the Waec portal. So for you to check your results, the first thing you have to write now is to write your exam number, as you saw me now. So I wrote my exam number. So secondly, you type your pin here. All this information are available on your Waec ID card. So the next is your serial number. So write them very well as it is written on your Waec ID card. So write your serial number. Please, your details are very unique. Don't allow anybody to see it. So after writing all this, you have to click that examination section. So click it and change it from private candidate result to school candidate result. So it depends on your examination mode, but school candidates result is preferable for those that wrote in a school. So change it and press submit to continue. So just like I said, just change it to a school candidate result, then you press submit for us to continue. So press that submit and wait for your Waec result to load. So I've clicked the submit button and my Waec result is already loading. So our Waec result is loading now. Just wait for it to load. After loading, you see the result. So result is out. Wait for it. The network is a bit slow due to so many things that are connected to it. So as you can see, the result is already out. It's now showing, but I don't want to show it due to security issues. That's why I'm covering it. So please do well to like my page and also follow me on YouTube at NMR Pro. So that will also make you to know whenever I drop a helpful video for you to watch, and also don't forget to like the video if you like it. Then this is my YouTube channel, so subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon. Thank you.